I'm baby mother. But big up. God is good. God is good all the time. And we are give God thanks all the time. Like Roxy and her husband, them have Valentine's Day every day. Every day, them have Valentine's Day. You understand me? I say classic, not to mention the one classic. Yesterday dinner, the dinner ready. Not to mention the one classic. But what may I try to say is Heart and Soul birthday. Right? And we just come very and we just sing happy birthday to her and so. And so, but we are trying to tell say, listen, I gonna do the homeless February, and that is just our little giving back. I love dinner. Me love dinner too. Worse than you, right? Me and Roxanne British, we're all gonna do it and be in life gonna cook and stuff like that and do a thing. You understand? So I want them things there. We are going with. But me tell say we just love, live and laugh right now. Can you see? We don't know what's going on in the world. The world I run mad. The world I run crazy. Food. Look on the rice. The world I run crazy. So we have to give God thanks. Every day we get up. Every day we get up, we have to give God thanks. Roxy make cheesy. I make cheesy. My Roxy telling us, say, I put them to eat. Them and this now, it have no more use to this rice and peas no more. I want to see the rice good, so I turn on the bright light. I put this now. Ooh, you're fat. Boy, hot like a fire. Yeah. Not showing a rice. I'm gonna make something go up a little higher. Rice. So this is cowpeas. Oh, Aline, let me show you the cowpeas. Aline have a page, 2 page, you have a business page too. Where him do we they talk about the herb like bush and them something way for drink. If you have high blood pressure and all them something there, check out Aline. Yes. That's what you do. Let me see me come here. Let me see me come by yourself for show again. Oh my Lord. I go to some, I remember when I come, I go to far. Oh, Aline, mash with the peas. See peas here? Over here we call it cow peas. And we call it Jerusalem peas. See peas here, Aline? Why see, so that's a small grain to the red peas, see? And it's they call it cow peas. So when I call it in Jamaica, you say you call it thing. See there? Tall man, my hubby, what go on? Big up yourself, see it here. Yeah, the peas. See? A big bag pay for £7 something. So see how it's small? Aline, me show. 8 and gungo peas that in the pots. Food dinner ready, tall man. Actually make cheesy. Make like a cheesy. But if we got do my ear, but she never feels so well. So I'm telling her, so it's alright, put it off. And the worst thing, if the pepper ever bust in the rice and peas and you have picnic for your food. It's not about me, you know. And them. Roxy, where you cook? Tall man, oh, rotted, Kino. Where shot out Tamika? I food Tamika smell? Sunday dinner, yes. Definitely for you, Ann. Wait, Ann gaming. No, oh, Tamika reach over here. Take the pepper out. No, I leave on the top, man. Reason why I leave them, I got my conscious side that is there. To keep it. Right? I'm showing you this now. Kino, may I text you into your belly? Kino? May I text you into your belly? This done too. The rum. Kino, I'm gonna put little rum in there. Open alright with that. Alright? Roxy, type where you cook, please. Come here, Olive, can you exchange, you know? So the gravy, nice. It have rum in it, guys. It have rum in it. Come on, jump the one. Tamika can come say now. And classic, come talk about my food. Take long. I'm